what we see is that that touchstone of self-service went from just the way we develop to the way we develop and provision infrastructure to the way that the whole development lifecycle is managed, to developers and operators becoming self-service from cradle to grave in terms of the initiatives. And the more of that becomes self-service, um, the fewer touch points that security practitioners and governance has with the lifecycle. What would happen oftentimes when people develop their secure SDL is they would look for places that developers or some role would hand off to a different role, and they'd introduce a governance gate at that point. So, when design became code, you would look at a threat model or a design review. When code became binary, you would do defect discovery and static scanning. When the binary became deployed, you do penetration testing. Those points of exchange became opportunities for gates. As those points of exchange go away, because more and more of this is happening in a self-service fashion, the question is, what have we done on security?